Hello again. Greetings from my side. This is EEPS Education Channel. This is EEPSA. We are doing light chapter numericals, specifically on mirrors, concave mirror, convex mirror, all those mixed. Okay, so to do a numericals, we need some facts like फॉर्मूला पता होना चाहिए. दूसरा वाला फॉर्मूला पता, दूसरा वाला कहाँ गया? ओह सॉरी, आई फॉरगॉट टू राइट इट. सो ये सब बेसिक चीज़ें आपको पता होनी चाहिए कि एक कॉन्केव मिरर, एक सेकंड, लेट मी जस्ट फिनिश राइटिंग एंड okay, that a concave mirror has a focus this side, which means negative. Convex means focuses on that side, which is positive. And then very importantly, some properties of convex. Convex का बहुत अच्छा पहचान है कि the image is always virtual, always erect and always small. तो अगर ये तीनों combination मिल जाते हैं, that means it has to be convex. There is no other chance of any other mirror to be there. So that's very important to remember. Virtual, erect and small is by convex mirror. It's not lazy like concave mirror. Okay, we'll start the question. First of all, I'll write the data sheet and we'll also include radius of curvature because we have it. Let's start. A mirror forms a virtual image 2 centimeter tall. Tall means उसकी height होगी. Let's start writing the properties of the image at least. Virtual. I'll write it here. Virtual है image. Okay. And its height is 2 centimeter. Means what? H2 is plus 2 centimeter. वर्चुअल क्योंकि हमेशा इरेक्ट होती है. वाई डिड आई राइट प्लस 2? क्योंकि वर्चुअल गिवन है एंड वर्चुअल इज ऑलवेज इरेक्ट. सो आई रोट प्लस 2. लेट्स रीड अहेड. 10 सेंटीमीटर अवे. मिरर का तो पता नहीं चल रहा, बट द इमेज इज 10 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम द मिरर. अब वर्चुअल कई चीज़ें हमें बता देता है. सपोज कोई भी हमारे पास मिरर है. This is the real side of the mirror and this is the virtual side of the mirror. Now the image is 10 centimeter and is virtual. मतलब इस साइड पे होने वाली है इमेज. जब इस साइड पे होने वाली है तो वो पॉजिटिव होने वाला है. The image distance will have to be positive because it has to be virtual. हो सकता है समझना आ रहा हो आपको. So this is what it is, that image is 10 centimeter away on that side, so I'll put a plus sign. The radius is 40 centimeter. Now we still don't know which mirror it is, so at least I'll write 40. And I'll write plus and minus both so that I don't forget कि अभी तक हमें plus या minus नहीं पता है radius of curvature का. Okay. The image is diminished. So we have one more fact about the image. Virtual erect तो होता ही होता है, but they have given that the image is diminished. Now, which mirror has all these properties? I'm very lazy. मैं आधे ही लिख रही हूँ, diminished है. So which mirror has these? The image formed by convex, the more active one, forms a virtual, erect and diminished. जब बाकी जो concave है वो पता नहीं क्या क्या बनाते रहता है, multiple types. So this, now we come to know that mirror is convex mirror and now it will be easy to solve it. Okay, so I am making a convex mirror for just rough work. I am making this. The image is here, 2 height and this thing is V 10 centimeter. I hope you can read that. This is the real side, this is the virtual side. ओके ना, अगर हमने किसी चीज़ के साइंस नहीं डाले हैं तो डालना है प्लस प्लस, इसका साइन अभी नहीं आया है पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव। अब पर हमें मिरर पता चल गया कॉन्वेक्स। ना कॉन्वेक्स का फोकल लेंथ इधर होता है, तो रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर भी तो इधर ही होगा ना। इफ़ इट इज़ ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड इट विल बिकम +20. सो आई विल रब बोथ ऑफ देम एंड आई विल राइट +20 +40. वी आर श्योर. The moment we have radius of curvature, focal length becomes +20 because of that formula. Focus is equal to radius upon 2. So radius upon 2, 40 upon 2, which makes it 20 centimeter. Okay, now first of all, what do you have to find? Focal length. Oh, we have found the first answer, that the focal length is 20 centimeter positive. Got it? Now what else do we have to find? U. Okay, so let's start using the U. What is the formula? What is U first of all? It's not YOU. What is U? U is the distance of object from the mirror. So this is what we have to find next. And which formula will we use? The first important formula. What is the formula? Can I rub this from here? Since we have already used it, I am rubbing. एग्जाम में नहीं है, वो लिख के मिटाना नहीं उसको, क्योंकि एग्जामिनर को तो देखना है कि आपने क्या लिखा है. So हाँ, so we have to find the U, object distance. I'll write the formula. I usually prefer this one. I think I wrote something else here. Yeah, sorry. So this is what is the formula for, the basic formula for mirrors. Now I'll put the things. 1/f is positive. No, f is positive. Is equal to U we don't know, and V is positive 10, and again U plus 10. Okay, now we have to solve it. Please do it very fast, क्योंकि I to take a lot of time. It shifts here, it becomes 10U is equal to -200. And U is -20. Is it -20? Yes, it is -20. Why did I think कि शायद गलत क्यों हो गया? क्योंकि 20 is also the focal length, right? But there is a difference. What is the difference? Is that the U will be somewhere here, negative. This will be U. But the focal length will be somewhere here. So it is possible to have 20 here and 20 centimeter there. So this is going on fine. So we have found out who will write the units. I am not writing any units. And then I am cutting marks. 2 marks out of 3 I'll cut. No, that was just a joke. Silly joke. Okay, I'll have to wrap this information. I need it for calculations. Hope either you know it or you've copied it down, or you should know by now. Okay, so what is the next thing we have to find? Magnification. Magnification का क्या फॉर्मूला होता है? अभी तो मैंने रब कर दिया. It is for mirrors. It is like -V/U या फिर H2 upon H1. ठीक है, so let's see which one will be applicable. Just one second. Okay, now this is going on separate. Now I'll come here. Magnification. Magnification has 2 formulas. We are on part B. No, we are on part C. Two formulas, one is minus V upon U and one is H2 upon H1. Good. Now what do you have? You should have in this formula at least two things that should be known. तो हम magnification निकाल सकते हैं. तो do we have U? Yeah, we found out it was minus 20. Okay. Now we have U and we have F. So this formula can be used to find the magnification. So I'll quickly start. M is equal to minus 10 and minus 20. It becomes magnification is 0.5. Good. Now I think I had written also but forgot to mention, for a convex mirror, the magnification always lies between 0 to 1. Positive 0, no, 0 to positive 1. But it cannot be minus 2, it cannot be plus 5, it cannot have it. To 0.2, 0.5, 0.9, anything. That is possible for only convex mirror, and we have verified by finding out that magnification is positive 0.5. So this also tells us that. Now what is left? H1, the object height. Okay, now is the object bigger? No, is the image bigger or smaller? Image is smaller, that means object will be bigger. So we should expect an answer of H1 by the magnification, and should be more than the image because object is bigger than the object. So let me start from here. H2 और H1 का एक ही फॉर्मूला होता है, so we'll just write it. Okay, we now know this. H2 we know is 2 centimeter and H1 is what we have to find. Remember, we have to find an answer which is more than 2 centimeter. Image से बड़ा होना चाहिए. Okay, let's see. So H1 is 2 upon 0.5, which is 4 centimeter. So the object is 4 centimeter, which is taller than the image, and that's what we were expecting. So I think we've done everything that was required, and we should write the properties of image always. So next usme we'll write the properties of image. Always write, even if they're not asked. Properties of, my writing is not bad, it's just I'm the other side of the world. Properties of image. It's virtual, erect, diminished, and it is behind mirror. The 4 properties which one should write. Sorry for the handwriting. So you always write these properties even if it is not asked. So we have written the 4 properties. Okay, now I'll quickly pause the video and join again after writing another question. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so I am back. Though I said it will take a minute, it took me 10 minutes to write the next question. मैंने तो खाना वाना भी खा लिया, पी भी लिया कुछ. I hope you've also done it. Okay, now the next question is in the same format, this data and the question, and we'll keep filling in. Okay, a mirror makes image, कुछ नहीं पता चल रहा. अभी मिरर ने बस एक इमेज बनाई है, कैसी पता नहीं कुछ भी. Behind it, the image is behind the mirror. If whatever mirror it is, we don't know the type, this is called behind, right? And this is the virtual side and this is the real side. So the image is somewhere here. Okay, let's mark it as this. This is the image. Behind it and bigger than the object. The image is bigger. It's here and bigger than the object. Suppose the object is this, the image is this. So from here, what do you come to know? Just from this fact. This fact tells us that who makes such images which are virtual also and which are bigger also. We just read in the previous question कि convex mirror जो होता है virtual भी बनाता है, diminished भी बनाता है और erect भी बनाता है. अभी diminished है कि enlarged है? The image is enlarged. तो convex mirror तो हो नहीं सकता. फिर क्या है? ये concave mirror है, दो ही टाइप के तो हमने पढ़े हैं. So now we know that it is a concave mirror. Okay, let's start drawing the diagram. Object 20 centimeter tall. My God, 20 centimeter tall object. That means what? H1 is plus. H1 हमेशा पॉजिटिव होता है, उसकी हाइट सीधा ही खड़ा होता है हमेशा. So H1 is always positive. Okay, 20 centimeter high, tall, placed at 2 centimeter from the mirror. So what is this 2? Object placed at 2 centimeter. So you get, okay, I have put a sign here. What sign should I put on you? See, object is always on the left side, so it has to be left is minus. So it's placed here and हाँ diagram बना रहे थे हम concave mirror का. ये हो गया हमारा object and it's just placed here only. Nice and very close. This is U and it forms an image which is 50 centimeter tall. Okay, 20 centimeter have we used? No, 1 second. Height 1 is 20 centimeter, U is minus 2 and nothing else is given. 2 centimeter from the mirror. No, this also we know. The image is 50 centimeter tall. Now we can write image as 50 centimeter. But what about minus and plus? Minus 50 or plus 50? See, they're saying behind the mirror. Now this tells us that this is virtual. It's not small v. This phrase tells us कि ये virtual image होने वाली है क्योंकि behind the mirror है. That means my image will be somewhere here. So let me just make it 50 centimeter tall. This was 2 centimeter. Okay, so we know the height of the image also. So the height of the image is plus 50 क्योंकि right side वाले हमेशा erect होते हैं. Right side में जो भी चीज़ है वो हमेशा object है कि image है वो हमेशा positive होता है. Okay, I don't think anything else given. Otherwise we'll check again. I forgot to write what all we need to calculate. Okay, we'll calculate everything that we know about this topic. Okay, so we have H1, H2. Which formula? You can always use the formula of magnification. So magnification formula is H2 upon H1. And we know both the things. So H2 is 50 and H1 is 20. So it becomes 2.5 centimeter. Or I can just call it 5 by 2 centimeter. Anything that you want to write. So this becomes the magnification. Now we'll write it here so that we can use it if we want. Okay, just tell me about magnification of a concave mirror. Can it be plus 2.5? Is it possible to have a concave mirror like this? Abhi in the previous question I said कि कॉन्वेक्स वाले की हमेशा बिटवीन 0 एंड +1 होती है. तो दूसरे वाले मिरर की कौन सी होगी? दूसरे वाला मिरर will be either, see that was 0 to 1, this was convex. तो कॉनकेव की कहाँ होगी? कॉनकेव की इधर से जाओगे ऐसे, मतलब -1 -2 लाइक दिस, या फिर 1 से बड़ा नंबर मीन्स 1.5 1.2 1.2 here or 2 or 3, that will be concave. I've done a full episode on this magnification, and this is also concave. Now it is 2.5 the magnification, and it is on this side, 1 से ज़्यादा है. Again confirming that it is a concave mirror. This is just confirming that fact. Okay. Now where are we? Okay, so we found out the magnification, which is 2.5. Now what do? We have a formula, m is equal to minus v by u. We can use it to find the v and u तो नहीं, u, हाँ, minus v by u. We don't know the image distance, so we'll put in the values. 5/2 is equal to minus v, and u is minus 2 centimeter. Okay, so we'll just quickly solve this. So v becomes 5 centimeter. Now v plus 5 centimeter, is it possible? फिर से सोचो, शायद मुझे गलत लग रहा है ये. How can v be positive? We can be positive. Why? Again, why? Because they said behind the mirror. Okay, they said 50 centimeter tall. Again, it is okay क्योंकि पता नहीं क्यों h have I written different things. This is h1 is 20. I wrote 2. Oh, 5/2. Sorry, I'm really sorry for this. Okay, 5/2 is minus, we don't have v, and the u is minus 2 only, so it was fine. I don't know. V is equal to 5 centimeter. So where did we get stuck? What was wrong? Okay, I think some diagram was wrong. Let it be. Now we can go on to the next thing. Next thing is focal length plus 5 centimeter. That means the image is only very close to the mirror, but it is on that side. Plus 5 है ना, it is on that other side of the mirror. So now we can apply the signs also and calculate focal length also by mirror formula. The formula is correct. Okay, we'll find the focal length. Do we have u and v? Yes, we have u and v. Minus 20 and 5. So this calculation leads us to, my pen is about to die. It is not giving me ink. Okay, so we found out the focal length. No, we haven't found out. So focal length becomes minus 100 upon 15, minus 15. So minus 100 upon minus 15. Okay, so focal length is minus 100. Okay. Okay. 1 minute. The focal length is uv upon u plus v. Focal length we have to find u, and v is plus 5 centimeter. U minus 20 and plus 5. No. What is u and what is v? U is minus. Okay, so okay, something here. The u is 2 centimeter. We can see from the data sheet u is minus 2, not 5. So this becomes minus 5, and u plus v becomes minus 5, and what is object? Minus 20. Okay, so minus 20 into plus 5 is into plus 5. Why am I going wrong in calculations? Okay, now we'll proceed further. We'll solve it. Let the board take some rest. It's 15 to the 300. No, 5 to the 20 is 100. 100 and minus 20. 100 and minus 25. Okay, so let's write it now. 100, and what will be the sign? Minus 100. Minus 100 upon, sorry, plus minus 25, and the sign here will be negative. What is? U will be minus 2. What am I doing? Okay, we'll find out the focal length now by the standard mirror formula. Okay, the mirror formula is what? uv upon u plus v. So we'll apply. Now, what do you think I want the answer as? Positive or negative? See, this is a concave mirror. So the focal length will be on the left side, right? So the answer should be negative. Okay, let's see what are. So uv upon u plus v. Let's put in the values. U is how much? U is minus 2 into what is v? Plus 5. And u plus v becomes minus 2 plus 5. Let's calculate it. Okay, the next calculation becomes minus 10. I'll write it again. It's not coming. It's minus 10, and this will be plus 3. Minus 10 plus 3, which you can just assume as 3.3 or leave it like this only. So focal length is minus 3.3. Okay, so we have found focal length also. What else do we want? Focal length is minus 3.3. So we know everything more or less. This also we know. So that's how we complete the question. But now what remains is the properties of this image which is being formed. सबसे पहले तो एक केस बताते हैं. We have 6 cases in concave mirror. Let's identify which case is that. Okay, so this was 2 centimeter away, and focal length is 3.3. Focal length is 3.3, and it is, they said, behind the mirror. So we know a lot of things. Object is between focus and pole. Object here at 2 centimeter is between focus and pole. तो इसमें क्या होता है? इसमें वो enlarged, virtual and बस इस टाइप की इमेज बनाता है. So the case will be the object next thing if I write object is between focus and pole, then only it can do such a thing. Okay, and now let's write the properties. We know it's behind the mirror, so virtual are always erect, so erect. Now we already know that the image is bigger, so we can say it enlarged, and the place they have only given behind mirror. Now I can't write MIRROR. I don't feel like writing. You will have to write anyways. So these are the two questions that we have done. I'll be making few more videos on lenses and mirrors, numericals only. Hope that helps you. Okay, thank you.